Today, guys, I want to do something just a little bit different. I don't have a script. I don't have an idea. I don't have a tutorial. I don't have a product review. I just want to take a couple moments and talk to you. I'm on day 28 of this 30 days in front of the camera challenge. And by the way, if you're new here to the channel, my name is Billy Tate. I'm in the middle of a 30 days in front of the camera challenge. I'm on day 28. And this is just an exercise for me to get more comfortable in front of the camera talking to you. So with that being said, I want to give encouragement to you, especially if you're over 40, over 50 like me, and you're just wanting to figure out how to do this YouTube thing. You know, guys, when you get to be our age, we have a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of experience, plenty to go, but we have life experiences that we can share with others, especially in our own age group. You know, I'm Gen X, and although most of us are fairly tech savvy, the technology changes so fast, and most of us are in the middle of our most productive years in our lives, so it's hard to keep up with the rapidly changing landscape of YouTube, of technology, and just how to do all this stuff. So my whole idea was that I want to get more comfortable in front of the camera so that I can share the stuff that I'm learning on the other side of the camera, or I have learned in all the different projects in the last 10 years that I've been involved in the, filming and video business. More of a hobby, but it turned into a business. That seems to be a recurring theme for a lot of things in my life, but I digress. I want to give you encouragement. I used to look at this camera as an inanimate object. I'm an extrovert, so my interaction with people is a physical interaction. It's an emotional bond. When people get excited about things, when I explain them about the things that I'm passionate about, I feed off of that. And it excites me and it gets me going. When you're talking to the camera, it's very cold. It's an inanimate object at first. And especially like when you get down in and you start editing your videos, you don't like the way you sound. You don't like the way that you look, possibly. Although at 40 or 50, we no longer care what people think. It's gotten so much easier for me to be able to look at myself on my camera. I don't even bother, brushing my hair or any of that stuff anymore. Thank God I still got hair, and it's not about that. This is not an exercise of vanity. I'm not here for TikTok likes. I'm not here to find a date. I'm not here for any of that, guys. I have experience and I have knowledge and I have things that I'm passionate about that I want to share with you as my audience. And I want to interact with you. I want us all to go on a journey together to become better. I no longer look at this camera now after 28 days of this exercise as an inanimate object capturing me. It's a tool that I'm using to connect with you. So I no longer look at it as a camera. I look at it as you. So I'm really trying to let my personality be the exact same that it would be as if you were sitting in front of me. So my encouragement to you guys is that if you want to start doing YouTube and you want to start doing videos, if in your job you want to start doing some video tutorials and training classes and whatnot, just get in front of the camera and press record. The reps are what are going to lead you to the point of success with that. It's going to no longer start looking like an inanimate object. You're not going to be staring at that little circle in the middle of the lens. You're going to be talking to the person that's watching the video on the other end. That's the natural progression of our mental state as we continue to do this exercise. It's just like riding a bike. It's just like riding a one wheel, snowboard, skiing, rock climbing, whatever it is that you're into. The more you do it, the better you become. Michael Jordan got cut from his high school team, if I'm remembering correctly, but he made a determination that he was going to be the best player that he could be. And guys, I'm trying to be the best creator that I can be so that I can share my experience and share the things that I'm learning and that I'm passionate about with you, and that we can go on this journey together. So I encourage you to do the same. Just get out there and start. It doesn't matter how bad the content is. Guys, I've been doing this for 28 days straight. There have been some stinkers, but you know what? It's okay. It's not about the content right now. It's about the journey. It's about the experience. It's about getting the reps in front of the camera. And I encourage for you to get the reps in front of the camera, and you too can achieve the dreams that you have and get out the message that you have to help those people you need to reach, your audience. You're my audience. I'm doing this for you. I'm doing it so I can be the best creator and the best person to bring information to you, and we can walk together. All right, guys, that's about all I got today. Like I said, it's going to be short and sweet. I don't have anything out there. I just thought that it would be good to get in front of the camera and give you a word of encouragement, especially if you're over 40 or over 50 like me, and you want to take this journey, guys. I'm here to tell you that you too can do it. You just need to get the reps and press record on the camera. All right, guys, this is Billy Tate, the end of day 28 of the 30 days in front of the camera challenge. I'll be back for day 29. We got 2 days left of this, and who knows what we're going to do. But that's all I got for you today. As always, have a fantastic day, and God bless, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow. Leave me a like and a subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you're doing, how you're getting more comfortable in front of the camera. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you later. All right, we're going to reshoot all of this because I had it in cinematic vlog mode and I had it on product showcase. And every time I would do that, it would highlight my hand and focus on my hand. And that's not what we want. Once again, we're just going to talk candidly